Hello dear kids, welcome back to your GK class. So children, hope you have done all the revision because tomorrow you are having your unit test. And children, the chapter which we are going to cover today is chapter number 14, Games of India. And in this chapter, we will see the sports of India. So children, sports and games have always been an integral part of India's rich heritage and culture. But sad, you people are busy in video games, etc. But our few traditional games are like kabaddi, gilli danda, pittu. These are very popular in old days, and today through this chapter we will have a sneak peek of these traditional games of India. And we will have before that we will have a look of few slides. So children, as I told you, today we will continue with the chapter number 14, Games of India. And in this chapter, your favorite thing is there. All the games which you love to play. And few are famous and few are less famous. So let's see which are the games which we have been playing since so long, and they are called Games of India. So the first game which always we play in our homes also, and sometimes we go outside, this is hide and seek. Very common game. I think every one of us have played this game, hide and seek. So number one is hide and seek. Let's see which game is number two. That is gilli danda. In this game, the one child who has got the chance, he has this wooden stick, and that is called danda, and a wooden kind of pebble kind of thing, that is gilli. So this is gilli danda. Now next, there is a rope and children are enjoying with the rope. And children, I'm sure you all know this game. This is skipping. This game is called skipping with the rope, you can say. So this is skipping, and there are many types of skipping where two children from the edge, they hold this rope from the edge, and then a child can skip, or you can hold the rope on your own and then you can skip. So next is 7 stone. You can see there are pebbles and you have to hit the pebble. So this is very interesting game. So this is 7 stone. Now the famous game Kho-Kho. In this game we have team. In team they have to play and they have to touch the person who is standing. So this is called Kho-Kho. Now next is marble. In Hindi we call it kanche. So there are glass balls in which we play with the glass balls, and sometimes we have to hit these glass balls called marbles. Now flying kite. Children, do you know which festival is related to kite? This is Makar Sankranti. So this is one of the festival where everyone fly the kite. They all are busy in flying the kite. So this is kite flying. Now next we have hopscotch, and we use this hopscotch, or we see this hopscotch in our active learning lab also. You all have enjoyed this hopscotch fun. So this is hopscotch, where you have to draw the hopscotch with the help of chalk marker on the floor, and then you enjoy that game. So children, one whiz fact is there at the end of this chapter, and that is Kabaddi is one of the oldest sport in the world. It was first played in India. So children, this is our whiz fact, and I'm sure you all are aware about the Kabaddi, in which in Kabaddi game you have to just say Kabaddi, 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 and you have to touch the person who is there in another team and who has come in your place. So children, that's all for today. We will meet you next time. Don't forget to share your work, and all the best for your exams also. Children, read the question carefully and then answer. Okay, all the best. We will be meeting next week. Till then, bye bye. Happy learning.